Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons living or dead or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Yoongi angrily, Hyang, where are you? Jin Hyang! Jin Hyang! Jin Hyang! Jin came to him. What happened, Yoongi? Why are you shouting like? Finally looked at him. What's this? Why did you take bath with your clothes on? Just look down. You made whole floor messy and wet. Now I have to mop it again. Hobie just done with cleaning. Hobie happily came there. Yeah, I had done all the cleaning. I'm so happy. Slipped on the floor. Jin, Hobie, be careful. Are you alright? Hobie, I'm alright, but where did water come from? I just mopped everything. Jin, look at your right side. Hobie looked at Yoongi and laid down on the floor. I'm done. I can't do more work. June, Jinhyang, my coffee. Jin, June, be careful. But before he can stop him, he slipped and his hand touched with the photo frame which was in the side table. Broke. Hobie up his head, then again let down. I'm dead. It's not me. I'm invisible. Tea. Hyang, I'm ready. Where is my strawberry milk? Slipped. Ouch. Jimin helped him to stand up, but he pulled him down. Why did you pull me down? I was helping you. T, I didn't pull you down. I was only standing up. If you are this much lighter, then what's my fault in this? You should eat more. You can't even pull me up. Jimin, I don't need to gain weight. I'm perfect. But definitely you need to lose some weight. You became fat. T, I'm not fat. You are underweight. Jimin, no, you are overweight. Yoongi shouts, shut up. You both start bickering at anywhere and anytime. You don't have a little bit shame. T looked at him. Hyang, now what happened to you? Why are you shouting? Jimin, and what's this, Hyang? You are fully drenched in water. T, so it's you who spilled water on the floor. See, because of you, we also slipped. Jimin, if you were this much desperate to play with water, then why did you come here? Go and play in your washroom. T, you yourself are playing with water but scold us when we play in rain. Such a hypocrite. Yoongi, done. Women looked at him with confused expression. Yoongi, are you done? Looked at others. Does anyone want to say anything else? If you all are done with your assumption, then let me speak. T mumbled, like we stuffed something in your mouth. We can't stop you from talking, even though if you want, then also. When did you listen to anyone? All the time you love to order us. Yoongi looked at him. T, I can hear you. T, oops, sorry, I forget you have cat ears. Yoongi lightly kicked him. Shut up. T let down on the floor. Jin Hyang, he broke my hand. Yoongi held his hand. Now let me break it properly. Jin, Yoongi, why are you troubling my poor baby? Leave him and tell us, why are you this much angry? Yoongi angrily looked at him. Hyang, just because of your excessive love, they all started dancing on my head. Jimin, where is the place on your head? Looked at Yoongi's angry glare and shut his mouth. Jin, which of my baby danced on your head? Yoongi, who else can be rather than your brat and naughtiest youngest one? Jin, Cookie, now what he did? Yoongi, what did he do? Yeah, you should ask what he didn't do. Jin, you always come to me to do his complaints. If you have this much problem, then why don't you stay away from him? Yoongi, excuse me, I don't want to stick with him. It's he who always stick with me and bother me by calling meow meow. Do you know what your brat baby did? He came to me and said meow meow. Yes, ready cookie for cookies school. Cookie doesn't wanna late. I was sleeping peacefully. He forcefully woke me up. I told him to go to others, but he said, everyone is busy, only meow meow is free. Free? What free? I was sleeping. He disturbed my precious sleep, but I stayed calm. I didn't want to spoil my mood in this early morning. That's why I didn't tell him anything. I brushed his teeth. When I was giving him bath, he did this to me. See, he splashed water on me. I was giving him bath, but instead of me, he started giving me bath. He was playing with water like he was in pool. Now he isn't getting paid for his school. School? Which school? He is only 3 years old. Who the dumb person thought to admit him in school this early? What will he learn in this early age? I'm sure he disturbs his teacher and classmates too. I have 4 matinees except him, but none of them trouble me this much like he does. Even T was so innocent in front of him. He got lots of scoldings from me, but your brat baby made me mad in only 3 years. I don't think I can handle him more. Jin, did you put him in bathtub? Yoongi, obviously. Jin face palmed himself. That's why he became overexcited. We don't give him bath in bathtub. We brought a special bathtub for him. Yoongi, how would I know? I don't know Hyang now either. He will stay in this house or me. I can't live with him under the same roof. June, Yoongi Hyang, don't say like this. Yoongi, no June, now it's enough. He started irritating me so much. June, but Hyang, where will you go and manage everything alone? Yoongi angrily looked at him. So you want me to leave the house? June, Cookie must be waiting. Let me check him. Ran from there. Yoongi, Hyang, did you see him? Jin, yeah, Yoongi, I heard and saw everything. Now go and change. Looked at women. You two also go and change. Hobby, what change? Who will clean the mess? I'm not gonna do anything. I already did my work. Jin, it's okay, I will do. You go and change. Breakfast is ready. Don't forget, we have so much work to do. Everyone left from there and Jin started cleaning the mess which was created by Yoongi. June went to Yoongi's washroom and saw Cookie was hanging on the wall. Yoongi tied him in blanket and he was swinging while giggling. June smiled to see him and took him to his room. He prepared his baby tub and made him sit in it. June, Cookie, why did you disturb Yoongi Hyang? You know he is so angry. Cook, Juni, Cookie didn't disturb meow 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 disturb poor Cookie. Meow meow left without giving Cookie bathi. June, that was because Cookie splashed water on him. Cookie was so happy na. After so many days, Cookie went and picked up. Nobody let poor Cookie to go and pick up. Cookie didn't like this small tub. Meow meow's tub is so big. June, Cookie is small na. Cookie can run and pick up. When Cookie will become big, Cookie can all take bathi and picked up. Okay. Cook. But Meow Meow is also small now. Then why does Meow Meow has picked up? June. It's just for decoration. He never used it. Cook. Really? June. Really? He preferred shower than bathtub. Cook. Yeah, Meow Meow is cat na. Cat doesn't like water. June. But our Cookie likes it a lot. Now Cookie should get ready for the school. Otherwise Cookie will be late. Does Cookie want it? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie is a good boy, and good boys don't be late. With that, June gave him bath and made him ready for the school. Time skipped after some times. Everyone was doing their breakfast and talking about their upcoming trip. Cookie was eating while running in whole dining room. Namjin were handling their dad's business. Hobie was a choreographer and Jungi was mafia. Women were in high school and Cookie in kindergarten. Among all of them, Cookie loved to irritate Jungi because he hates his kinship and Cookie always gets lazy on him. Unless he fights with Jungi, his food is not digested. Jungi avoided him a lot, but no one can avoid our cute little double bunny. He always found something to disturb Jungi. Everyone tried to make him understand, but he didn't listen to anyone. T. What do you mean by we can't go on trip this year? Jimin, no, we have to go. We already told our all the friends that we are going on a super place for the vacation. Now we can't back away. June, it's your problem. We shouldn't lie at first place. T. What lie? We always went on vacation. Jimin, but we. June, stop winning and finish your food. Jimin stood up. I don't want to eat. I'm full. June, Cookie, bring my cane. Cook, tea. Jimin quickly sat and started eating. I'm eating. No need to go anywhere. T. Shook Hobie. Hobie, please do something now. Hobie, what can I do in this? I'm ready to go out. I never say no for the trip. T. Jin, please na. Jin, we can't go this time, T. We will go next time, I promise. Cook tucked Jungi's pants. Meow meow. Jungi looked down. What? Cook opened his mouth. Jungi, you already finished my breakfast. At least let me eat a little bit. Go to Hobie. See, his plate is full. Hobie, come Cookie, I will feed you. Cook looked at Hobie. No, meow meow's food is so tasty. Jimin, then come to me. I will eating what Jungi Hang is eating. I will feed you. Cook looked at Jimin. No, Minnie and Titi won't eat their food and fed Cookie mole. Cookie won't go to Minnie and Titi. Jin, Cookie, don't disturb him and come to me. My food is also very tasty. Cook sat on the floor while hugging Jungi's leg. No, Cookie only eat meow meow's food. Jungi, then stay hungry. I'm not gonna share my food with you. Jin, Jungi, eat this. Served him other food and please feed him your breakfast, otherwise he won't eat anything. Jungi, you all make him this much stubborn. Looked at Cook. Get up. Cook happily stood up. Opened his mouth. Jungi fed him. Now go and run. Hobie, by the way, Hank, why can't we go on vacation? Is there any problem in business? Jin, no Hobie, everything is fine. It's just our workload increase. There is nothing to worry. Hobie, we will keep working throughout our life. This is the time to have fun with family. You never denied before. June, casually, we never met Mr. Wong like rival before now. We can't take risk to go anywhere, otherwise he will cut off. Jin pinched him under the table. June, drink some juice too. said while glaring at him. June mumbled, "Sorry." Yoongi looked at June. "Otherwise, what will he do?" Nothing, Yoongi. What can he do? Eat your food. Women, cookie, let's go. I will drop you to your school today. June, let's go. We have very important meeting too. Stood up. Yoongi, nobody will go anywhere. Hyang, sit and tell us the truth. What's the matter? And who is this Mr. Wong? I never heard about him. 2 days ago, when I came to company, then also whole staff was looking afraid. Jin, nothing, Yoongi. It's only work pressure, nothing else. Yoongi, it's okay. Don't tell me the truth. I have so many ways to find out the truth. Hobby, Hyang, now there is nothing to hide. Spit it. June, Hyang, I think now we should tell him the truth. We can't hide it from him more. Jin, you are right. Mr. Wong is our business rival. We both were fighting for a contract and we got the contract, but Mr. Wong still wants the contract. For that, he was pressurizing us to back away. He is giving us continuous threat. He told us that he has the contact with underworld. If we didn't back away, then he will harm us. That's why whole staff is this much scared. Yoongi, and you are telling this me now? I will see this Mr. Wong. Don't worry, he can't do anything to you. Time skipped. After some times, Jin was discussing something with June and suddenly their door opened. Terrified women ran to them. When they were returning back to home with Cookie, few goons kidnapped Cookie by showing them. They tried a lot to fight back, but they hit them and snatched their mobiles too. They quickly informed Yoongi and he came there. Jin, Yoongi, I don't know anything. I want my Cookie back. Nothing will happen to him. My poor baby must be very terrified. Yoongi, Yang, stop worrying. I'm here. Nothing will happen to Cookie. He isn't weak. He's so strong. I promise till the evening he will hear and disturbing me. They didn't kidnap Cookie. They summoned their death. Left. Meanwhile, with Cookie, Mr. Wong's goons kidnapped Cookie and brought him an old garage. Here, Cookie was running here and there like he ran in his house. Few men were standing there while holding their head was trying to scare Cookie, but badly failed. Head, hey, why are you running here and there? Don't try to run away from here, otherwise I will shoot you. Pointed his on Cookie. Cook snatched his and threw it on the floor. Why would Cookie run away? Cookie isn't a coward. Cookie's meow meow will come to save Cookie. Cookie isn't scared of this toy. Cookie has lots of toys like this at home. Head, meow meow laughed. Guys, have you listened? Any cat is coming to save him. Cookie started laughing too. Hey, why are you laughing? Cookie is laughing because you are laughing. Bad uncle, don't disturb Cookie mole. Cookie is very busy. Again he started running. Head, what a boy is this? We kidnapped him, but instead of scaring from us, he is running, laughing and playing. Soon Yoongi came there alone because for them he was enough. Cookie is wearing a pendant in which a small tracker. Yoongi tracked Cookie's location and reached there. He saw Cookie was running behind a butterfly. He smiled to see his happy face. Yoongi, so it's you who kidnapped Cookie. Head looked at him. Who are you and how did you come here? Yoongi, your men were very tired. They all are sleeping. Cook looked at Yoongi. Meow meow. Happily ran to him. Meow meow. You came. Cookie knew. Meow meow will come to take Cookie back. Yoongi, of course I had to come. Now let's go. Cook held his pinky finger by his full hand. Utti, let's go. Bye bye bad uncle. Clean the room. It's dirty. Head held Yoongi's hand. What's the hurry, Mr. Meow Meow? Yoongi, at least check the kid's background before kidnapping him. Head, who are you? Yoongi, it's none of your business. Head, you came on your legs but can't go by them. Attack! Cook quickly climbed on Yoongi's back and hugged him tightly. Yoongi wore his jacket above Cookie to secure him and started fighting with them. Cookie was having so much fun, he kept cheering for Yoongi. Soon Yoongi everyone and took women's mobile and drove to their home. While fighting, he caught a deep cut in his upper arm, which was normal for Yoongi, but Cookie forcefully took him to the hospital. Doctor admitted Yoongi and started his treatment. Cookie was with him all the time. He was holding his hand. Now the biggest problem arose. Yoongi needed to take injection, but he was scared of it. Yoongi shouted, Doctor, I'm dangerous mafia king. Don't you dare to come to me with this scary thing. Doctor, scary thing? But it's only a small injection. Yoongi, by which angle this is looking small to you? Doctor, injection is very important. Yoongi, I will take medicine. Give me medicines. I don't need any injection. Doctor, who is doctor, you or me? I will decide what you need or not. Yoongi, Doctor, I am again warning you. Jin, Yoongi, you are still scared of injection. It just pinched like an ant bite. Yoongi, stop lying, Hyang. I am hearing this excuse since the childhood, but it really hurts so bad. So forget about it. I am not gonna take it at any cost. Yoongi shook you. Cookie shook Yoongi. Meow meow. Yoongi looked at him. What happened? Cook. Meow meow. Are you scared? Yoongi smirked. I am dangerous mafia king. I am not coward. Didn't you see how I fight alone with them? Cook. Cookie is also not coward. Cookie was playing with them. Yoongi. You have been Yoongi's blood. How can you be coward? Cook. No. Cookie has Chinese blood. That's why Cookie is so strong. Yoongi, Jin Hyang and strong chuckled. Hyang is a big coward. He is scared from every single thing. Cook. But not from injection. Cookie involved Yoongi in his bickering and doctor gave him injection. Yoongi didn't even respond. Mr. Wong apologized to Jin. Yoongi stayed in hospital till 2 days and Cookie stayed with him too, along with Hopi. He didn't leave Yoongi alone all the time. He was with Yoongi and gave him company. After Yoongi discharged from the hospital, they all went to the trip. We irritate and fight with them whom we truly love. Not all the relationship wants pampering, some wants bickering too. There is no other happiness than to annoy our favorite person just to tease him or her. It gives us inner peace and happiness. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Trust me, there is no other happiness than to annoy our favorite person. Even though we know from which thing that person irritates the most, but then also we do the thing just to irritate that person, just like Cookie. He knew Yoongi hates his kinship, then also he always get clingy to him. He never leave any chance to frustrate him. But when Cookie got injured by saving him, he took care of him. He didn't leave him alone. He knew Yoongi was scared of injections, so he helped doctor to trick him by involving him in victory. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.